Buckingham.
Interpreting OSHA regulations can often be confusing. Throw in the new updates released mid-2014 and you've got a whole other beast to conquer. Well, not to worry. Buckingham Manufacturing's got you covered. Coming April 1st, 2015, OSHA will require all employees climbing a tower or similar structure to use fall protection anytime they're higher than 4 feet. Naturally, this means free climbing is no longer an option. According to OSHA, when using fall arrest systems on a tower, they must be rigged so that an employee can free fall no more than 6 feet, nor contact any lower level. Note that when using a fall arrest system, it's important to think about where you're working and how you've rigged it. If you know you could come in contact with a lower surface in the event of a fall, you would be considered in violation of OSHA. This is something that can become especially easy to overlook when ascending in a bucket. For more information on that, watch our OSHA bucket truck video. Another change coming to OSHA is an arc flash rating for fall arrest equipment. In order to ensure full-body harnesses and shock-absorbing lanyards don't fail in the event of being exposed to an explosion or electrical arc, OSHA will soon require that all fall arrest systems used by employees exposed to hazards from flames or electrical arcs to meet an OSHA-specified arc flash rating. To meet this regulation, Buckingham has developed a line of specially designed lanyards and full-body harnesses, as well as a variety of premier tower harnesses that are easy to adjust, offering comfort, support, and multiple attachment points for positioning, fall arrest, and suspension. For users who like less metal above the waist, Buckingham has also created a line of harnesses with a bare bones design. Note that certain models also come with a Kevlar mesh shell, making it easier for the user to take off and put on. To complement Buckingham's full-body harnesses, we also offer a line of lanyards designed to meet OSHA's arc flash rating. Our Buck Yard, Buck Stop, and Buck Arrest energy-absorbing lanyards provide you with many customization options such as length, absorption material, and connection mechanisms. To eliminate trip hazards while climbing in and out of the bucket, we recommend trying out the Buck Yard Stretch Energy-Absorbing Lanyard, a short lanyard designed with an elastic bungee to keep it out of the way when you're working. At Buckingham Manufacturing, we know finding the right equipment to comply with OSHA can be challenging. If you have further questions regarding OSHA compliance and Buckingham products, give us a call at 607-773-2400 or visit our website, buckinghammfg.com.